Shoot. Oh shit, my bad.
You are fucking kidding me.
What you? My bad, bro.
You good, bro?
Oh shit, yo,
Good, bro? Yo, fuck yo, bro.
Can I sneeze on you again?
I'm gonna kick you in the ass. How's that?
Spring. Achoo. Spring. Happy in there. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K. One of our new video today. We're gonna be sneezing on people in Times Square, bro. This is a part 2 of the video, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's do it. Ah, shit, my bad. I had to sneeze, bro. I was trying to walk over there.
Good.
I'm supposed to wipe it off with my hand. I'm sorry, sir. Ah, shit. Fuck, my bad.
Still good.
Ah, my bad. What you? My bad, bro.
You good, bro?
Oh shit, yo,
Good, bro? Yo, fuck yo, bro. You good, bro? You good, my nigga? Yo, fuck you, do yo, bro. You good, bro?
Spring.
Good, bro? Fuck, are you good, bro?
Don't do no shit like that, bro. You heard?
I'm not jacking out, bro. I sneeze, bro. You good? Yeah, bro. You good? I'm not jacking out, bro. I'm sneezing problems, bro. Nah. Why you got your hand on me, bro? Cause, bro, you sneezing and shit, bro. You know what you got, bro? Good?
Yo, what is that shit, bro? What is you doing?
I sneeze, bro.
You ain't sneeze, bro. Stop playing.
I just sneeze, bro. Look, it's the camera right there. It's the camera.
Why not any fucking white here recording right now? Hey, what is it?
Ah, shit. My bad. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Ah, shit, my bad. I'm so sorry. Want me to wipe it off? Shit.
What you doing, my nigga? You shouldn't. The fuck, nigga?
It's a prank, bro.
Yo, this nigga out here recording me and shit. Yo, what y'all niggas is on, man?
It's a prank, bro. It's water. You better fuck me up, bro.
Fuck, nigga, y'all niggas moving weird. Like, yo, what's up, bro?
No, shut.
You know where you at, nigga?
Nah, we're not.
We play.
Nah, where I'm at, bro.
Shit is wildin'.
Where I'm at. Ah, shit, my bad. I'm so sorry. Oh, you're right there.
What up, fool? What you doing?
Oh, it's good, bro. We doing a sneezer prank.
That's a man, nigga.
Achoo!
Yo, what the fuck, man?
Spring. It's a prank. Yeah, I sneeze. It's water, bro. It's water, bro. Help me up, bro. It's a prank, bro. Look, the camera's right there, bro.
Oh, I thought y'all for real. Why you playing with him, though? Like, why you playing with niggas for, bro?
Oh, my bad, bro. Yo, can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah,
What's your name?
Mika. Montreal, Canada.
Okalala. You got beautiful eyes.
Thank you. Yes.
Can
Yes.
you get your number?
I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah, I
Really?
do. Yeah. I'm
lying,
sorry.
I'm lying.
I swear.
What about Instagram?
Yeah, I can give you my Insta.
My bad, bro. It's by accident, bro. Chill. Supreme, bro. You're wildin', bro. Supreme, bro.
Fucking playing, bro.
Supreme, bro. It's water, bro. It's water.
Right, nigga?
Water, bro.
Where you from, my heart? Right, bro? Where you? I remember you.
Bro,
yo, ain't you that? Where you jacking? You the GD?
Chill.
You GD?
Nah, I'm not GD, bro.
Where you jacking?
Bro, I'm jacking. Nah, I'm GD, bro. I'm GD.
What?
No.
Yo, get this nigga right here.
Shit, bro. Yo, when he put me on the ground, bro, I think I bit my tongue, bro. Shit's all over my hand, bro. Look. Like I said, bro, I'm really risking my safety for y'all, bro. This shit hurts, bro. Shit. Let's go.
Good marijuana, guys.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit. My bad. Ah, shit. Did I sneeze on you? I'm sorry. You want me to wipe it off with my hand or something? Sorry? You want me to wipe it off with my hand? Yeah, want me to wipe it off with my hand? No, that's all right. Got it? I'm sorry, sorry. No. No. But no, I have sneezing problems.
Just stay far away from over there.
Huh? Oh shit, my bad.
You are fucking kidding me.
I had to sneeze.
Get the fuck out of here.
Want me to wipe it off my hand?
Get out of here.
You sure?
Fucking asshole. Get the fuck away from me.
But I got.
Just go. Asshole.
Oh shit. Huh?
Get.
Huh? Oh shit, my bad.
You gonna do it again?
I might have to.
Get out of here. I mean it. Get away from me. You're serious. Who the fuck does that?
Can I sneeze on you again?
I'm gonna kick you in the ass. How's that?
Shit.
Get the fuck out of here. Oh yeah, there we go.
Yo, keep recording, bro. Get him. He was like, yo, you can kick my ass, bro. Old white men don't play around, bro. You feel me? These niggas do not play around, bro.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I had to sneeze.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I had to sneeze.
You just fucking sneezed on my back.
Yeah.
Fucking asshole.
Ah, shit.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry. I had to sneeze. Did I sneeze on you?
Oh,
Here. It's not that, it's funny, but.
That's water. Oh, shit. My bad, bro.
Recording somehow, somewhere.
Nah, I just sneeze.
It's all good.
I'm so sorry, bro.
It's all good.
I'm sorry, bro. Damn. Nah, y'all fuck with you. I'm recording, bro. It's water, bro. It's water.
Oh, there was water. I was like, yo, that was crazy, bro.
Shit.
Did you see something?
I'm so sorry.
What was that? You're lying. Are you pranking us?
Nah, I just sneeze.
You're lying.
you got something blue in your pants. You playing?
Oh yeah, he's saying.
Nah, I like to sneeze on pretty straight.
You got a camera. You got a camera.
I just sneeze on pretty straight. It was I sneezed on you.
No, it wasn't. It felt like extra.
I'll fuck with you. It's water. It's water.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit. My bad. I'm so sorry.
What is this?
I had to sneeze.
Okay.
I had to sneeze. Want me to wipe it off with my napkin?
Where's Allah? Where's Allah next to
I'm so sorry.
Out of the whole area, it's like.
Nah, I was like trying to like go over here and like over there. Yeah. So Nah, It's a prank. It's water. It's a prank. It's water.
Yeah, what's that?
It's water. It's water.
But you know, I'm gonna get
Water.
one person.
It's water.
It's okay.
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
It's okay.
Shoot. Shit. My bad. Oh shit, my bad, bro. Nothing, bro. I just sneezed, bro. Nothing, bro. Nah, chill, bro, chill, bro. Achoo! Oh, shit. I just sneezed, bro. My bad, bro.
No, bro, go ahead. Go in front of me.
You want me to wipe it off?
No, bro, go in front of me.
Wow, what happened? Achoo! Oh, shit.
Again, bro, go in front of me.
I just sneezed, bro. Oh, shit. Achoo!
I know the fuck you did not.
I just sneezed.
Bitch.
My bad. My bad.
You gotta subscribe to K Bonafide. He's hilarious. He's really, really funny.